Hello, this is 6.4 day 2. We're going to match graphs with descriptions today. So here's my example. So we have Grace, Jet, and Mike are studying 100 words for a spelling bee. Grace started by learning how to spell many words each day, but then learned fewer and fewer words each day. So our job today is we're going to have descriptions, and we have to figure out which graph looks like the description they just told us. So let's read that again. It says Grace started by learning how to spell many words each day, but then learned fewer and fewer words each day. So we on the y-axis we have words learned, and then we have time. So this one looks like it just increased and they kept learning the same amount of words each day. This one looks like they had a slow start and then it picked up at the end. And this one looks like they started learning lots of words and then slowly stopped learning more words. So that kind of sounds like Grace. So I'm going to say this one is our answer. All right, next one. Now we got Jet. Jet learned how to spell the same number of words each day. So a steady increase every day would make it look like a line. So I'm going to say Jet is this one. And then last but not least, we got Mike. Started by learning how to spell the same number of words each day, but then learned a greater number of words each day. So that looks like this one starts off slow and then gets more and more towards the end of each day. So this is Mike. Okay. Now for the rest of the slides, please read the description carefully and pick your answers. Circle the graph that you think fits the sentence.